Here I have Nokia C31 and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you have this. You can set up a schedule for this battery saver mode, and you can also switch different optional optimizations. You can disable face unlock, you can turn off location, you can disable notifications on lock screen, you can disable Bluetooth when there is no active connection, reduce the brightness, shorten screen timeout to minimal, turn off auto synchronization, disable keyboard dial pad sounds, disable haptic vibration feedback, and also disable live wallpaper. If I were you, I wouldn't use most of these things just normally because they drain my battery so fast, but yeah, pretty useful that you can adjust this stuff. So yeah, and here you can also get some location access. Reset to defaults, okay, nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.